Husband strapping the sheetrock and the few pieces of wood, because what piece did you leave at home?
My cargo net.
He left his cargo net, but he's improvising. He's using some logic.
Just gonna be a bit, yeah.
Well, I'm glad at least you have these straps in here. He usually he keeps a lot of stuff in the truck just in case, so. He took it out when I forgot what he was doing anyways. That's neither here nor there. He's figuring it out now. Muy bueno. Check it out, check it out. That's what he did.
Now I can put these pieces.
Let's see what he's doing here. Sliding this underneath. Like this and like that. Sliding it underneath.
In there, Shirley.
In there like swimwear. Tightening it up again.
Oops, came out of there.
Orale, there we go.
Fucking shit like that, but so